This video shows how to buy shares of Sanmina Corp, an electronics manufacturing services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SANM. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SANM to locate Sanmina Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing and the correct company name. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to review recent movement and basic data. Confirm the name and ticker SANM to ensure this is the correct stock. Press the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm to place it. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the order fills, your Sanmina position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.